Encountering the "sorry you're not able to sign up at this time" error on Cash App can be incredibly frustrating. You've entered all your information correctly, but the app simply won't let you create an account. This message typically appears due to Cash App's increasingly strict fraud prevention and compliance measures. The platform has implemented sophisticated security systems to protect both users and the financial system. There are four main categories of issues that can trigger this restriction. First, identity verification problems occur when your personal information doesn't match exactly, or when the same information has been used on another account. Second, geographic and regulatory limitations can prevent sign-up. Cash App must comply with different state laws and banking regulations, which can restrict access in certain areas. Third, technical and device-related factors can cause problems. Multiple sign-up attempts from the same device, VPN usage, or outdated app versions can trigger security flags. Fourth, account history and security concerns can block new sign-ups. Previous account violations, flagged phone numbers, or suspicious activity patterns can prevent account creation. Cash App uses a comprehensive Know Your Customer, or KYC, process to verify user identities. This involves multiple steps, including document scanning, verification, and database screening to ensure compliance with financial regulations. As of 2025, Cash App has significantly enhanced its security measures. The platform now uses AI-driven fraud detection, stricter identity verification requirements, expanded geographic restrictions, and advanced device fingerprinting technology. Understanding these underlying causes is the crucial first step in resolving your Cash App sign-up issues. By identifying which category applies to your situation, you can take the appropriate steps to address the problem and successfully create your account. If you're encountering Cash App sign-up issues, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to resolve the problem. Step 1. Verify the accuracy of your personal information. Your full legal name, date of birth, and social security number must match your government-issued identification exactly. Step 2. Address technical issues. Clear the app's cache and data, update to the latest version, try a different internet connection, restart your device, and disable any VPN services. Step 3. Prepare high-quality photos of your government identification. Ensure the document is current, not expired, and the image is clear and well lit without glare or shadows. Step 4. Consider waiting periods. Some restrictions are temporary and may resolve automatically within 24 to 72 hours. System cooldowns can help clear technical flags. Step 5. If problems persist, escalate to customer support. Provide a detailed explanation of your situation along with all relevant documentation. Document your previous attempts and follow up within recommended timeframes. Step 6. Consider alternative verification methods. In some cases, bank account verification may be available instead of social security number verification, or you might be able to use alternative documents like a passport instead of a driver's license. Following these systematic steps will resolve most Cash App sign-up issues. Remember to be patient, provide accurate information, and don't hesitate to contact support if needed.